Good morning, friends. Today we are going to discuss our first chapter of SSD, family relationship. You can see in a family we have father, mother, brother, and sister, and they all are living happily. In a family, we have grandparents and uncle and aunt. Uh, in this chapter, we will discuss about the relationship between the family member. There is a boy. His name is Angad. Let's see what the Angad is saying here. I am Angad. I live with the member of my family. Means live with the parents, mother, father and sister. They give me love and affection. In this picture we have seen how mother is loving his son and father is loving her daughter, and how Angad is loving mother and her sister is loving her father. I share my thoughts and feeling with them, like we share our feeling and thoughts with the our parents, with our grandparents and uncle and aunt. The uncle also share their feeling and thoughts with their family members. Whenever I am in doubt, Angad is saying, whenever I am in doubt, I ask my parents, grandparents, uncle or aunt for advice. Suppose sometime we are in a doubt. Suppose I want to buy a book. And I go to a bookshop. There are so many books: story book, GK book, fantasy book, and I'm in doubt which book should I buy. So I can take advice of my parents, grandparents, uncle, aunt, कि which book will help me. So they can give their advice कि you should buy GK book. It will enhance your knowledge. You should buy a story book. It will enhance your imagination, whatever. Sometime my sibling means the real sister and brother is known as sibling, or cousin. Cousin means children of your uncle and aunt come up with the best advice to make a decision. Sometimes our brother and sister give us advice and cousin give us advice. Now we will discuss how family consists of. We all know, we have studied in the 3rd class, family consists of mother, father, brother, sister, parent, grandparents, uncle, aunt, etc. A family consists of married couple, means mother and father, they both are married. Okay, consist of married couple and their children like Angad and his sister. Both natural means born to that couple the mother has given birth to their children. And adopted means a child who is not part of the family, but when the parents adopted him and her, he become our member of our family. We can हमने बहुत देखा कि ऑफन होम से बहुत बच्चे अडॉप्ट होते हैं एंड लाइक अंकल आंट से भी अडॉप्ट करते हैं, ठीक है, दे बिकम पार्ट ऑफ आवर फैमिली. फैमिली मेंबर share a common residence. मतलब all the family member live in a same residence, means same house. And surname means Angad name is Angad Singh, so Singh is his surname. The name which come after your name is called surname. तो फैमिली मेंबर्स शेयर और कॉमन रेजिडेंस, लाइक वी शेयर आवर होम एंड सरनेम. ऑल द फैमिली मेंबर हैव सेम सरनेम. इफ अंगद हैज सिंह, तो ऑल द फैमिली मेंबर, या इसकी सिस्टर भी सिंह ही लगाएगी, मदर भी सिंह एंड फादर भी सिंह. वो पैटर्नल वाइज सबके पास सरनेम आता है, जैसे कि फादर का नेम जो भी होगा, राहुल सिंह है तो वही आगे बच्चे के भी सिंह लग जाएगा, वट एवर, सिंह, शर्मा, दत्त, एक्सेट्रा. सम मेंबर ऑफ अ फैमिली may live away from their family home for education, job, and etc. Maybe any member of your family is not with you. Maybe your elder sister is not with you. She is in the different place for education. Your uncle or aunt who is not with you, maybe जो अंकल है, आंट है, वो जॉब के लिए कहीं बाहर रहते हैं, बट दे आर ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ अ फैमिली. ठीक है. The need of the members are fulfilled by a family. Whatever our needs, food needs, buying new things, etc. Who will fulfill? Our parents, our family member fulfill our needs. Like we want to buy new books, new toy, dress, etc. We want to eat. कुछ भी आपने से खाना, आइसक्रीम खानी है, कुछ भी खाना है, आपको लगता है कि मेरा मन आज ये खाने का है, तो ये कुछ लेने का है, गिफ्ट, तो कौन फुलफ़िल करेगा? आपका पेरेंट्स, क्योंकि अभी आप बहुत छोटे हो, तो वही आपको फुलफ़िल करते हैं. इट लुक आफ्टर द चिल्ड्रन एज वेल एज द सिक एंड द ओल्ड मेंबर. द फैमिली मेंबर, जो आपके फैमिली मेंबर्स हैं, चाहे वो आप हैं, पेरेंट्स हैं, वो एक दूसरे का लुक आफ्टर करते हैं, ध्यान रखते हैं एक दूसरे की. सपोज़ अंगद बीमार हो जाएगा, बाय जस्ट अंगद बीमार है, तो हु विल लुक आफ्टर हिम? पेरेंट्स जो हैं, दादा दादी है या उसकी सिस्टर है, वो उसका ध्यान रखती है. और ओल्ड मेंबर, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, दादा दादी, उनका ध्यान भी कौन रखते हैं? हमारे पेरेंट्स रखते हैं, या हम भी रखते हैं उनकी हेल्प करके. ठीक है. ऑल फैमिली मेंबर लव एंड रिस्पेक्ट वन अनदर. इन the third class we have read about love and affection connected a family. Without love and respect, there is no relationship between the family. In each family there is a love and affection. Now what we have discussed in this paragraph, okay, there is a boy and his name is Angad. He is telling about his family. Whenever he is in a doubt, he asks his parents, grandparents, uncle, aunt, and sometimes he takes advice from their siblings, brother and sister, real brother and sister, and cousins. And family consists of married couple and their children by natural, means mother give birth, and adoption. ठीक है ना. Family share their common residence and surname, and the family member fulfill the needs of the family. Now we will discuss here, do you know who are foster children? Foster children are not adopted. तो foster children होंगे those who are living with you, आपके साथ रहते होंगे, but live with the family for a fixed period. कुछ टाइम के लिए वो आपके साथ रहेंगे, देन वो वहाँ से चले जाएंगे. सपोज आप योर पेरेंट्स विलेज में रहते हो, उनका कोई नेबर हो, आपका कोई नेबर हो विलेज का, और आप शहर में सेटल्ड हो गए हो, तो वो वहाँ से आके आपके साथ रहता है. तो फॉस्टर चिल्ड्रन नोन एज फॉस्टर चिल्ड्रन, मतलब वो आपके साथ रह रहे हैं, आपके पेरेंट्स ने उन्हें अडॉप्ट नहीं किया है, कुछ समय के लिए हेल्प की है, और कुछ टाइम पीरियड तक वो रहेंगे. एजुकेशन गेन करने के बाद वो वहाँ से मूव कर जाएंगे. डू यू नो फैमिली is the first school where the child learn the does and don'ts of the society. This is our family who teach us what to do or not to do. For example, when we live in a society, we all live in a society. So our parents, a family member teach us that we should never hurt our neighbors. We should never hurt animals. We should respect our neighbors. उनको कोई आपको मिलता है तो आपको उनको नमस्ते करनी है. तो वो किसने सिखाया? फैमिली मेम्बर्स ने आपको स्टार्ट किया है. ठीक है. और हमें क्या नहीं करना है? किसी को हर्ट नहीं करना, चाहे वो फैमिली मेम्बर हो, चाहे वो कोई बर्ड हो, एनिमल्स हो, उनको नहीं करना है. क्या चीज़ें हमें करनी चाहिए? किसी को हार्म नहीं करना है हमें. तो हु इज़ teaching us? Family. So we call family. Who is the first teacher? Your mother is the first teacher. ठीक है. तो we have discussed in this chapter relationship between a family. Thank you so much.